Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious Haitian cornbread using an easy method. This sweet, cake-like treat is perfect for any occasion. We'll start by gathering our simple ingredients, including 2 sticks of butter, 2 cups of cornmeal, and 1 cup of flour. You'll also need 2 eggs, 2 mashed bananas, and 1 cup each of brown and white sugar. We'll also use evaporated and coconut milk, along with a cup of shredded coconut and a blend of warm spices. Now let's get to mixing. Begin by combining all your dry ingredients like the cornmeal, flour, and spices in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients, including the melted butter, sugars, eggs, and milks, until they are smooth. Then slowly incorporate the dry mixture into the wet, stirring gently until everything is just combined. Remember, overmixing can lead to a tough texture, so mix until barely combined. It's time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, generously grease a 9 by 13-inch baking pan to prevent sticking. Carefully pour your well-mixed batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Bake for approximately 50 minutes to 1 hour. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. If it comes out clean, your cornbread is ready. Once baked, let your Haitian cornbread cool completely in the pan before slicing into generous portions. This dense, cake-like treat is wonderful served warm or at room temperature. It makes a fantastic dessert, a lovely accompaniment to your morning coffee, or simply a satisfying snack. Any leftover cornbread can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days, maintaining its delicious moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.